Good evening, everybody. I want to thank you for your patience during this challenging time. I have been working on getting my system set up and my wonderful cheesy backdrop set up in the garage here so I can teach all of you guys. If you guys have any questions during the next few weeks, I please beg you guys to text me, message me, email me, do something. Let's get through this together. This is a very difficult, challenging time. Things are a lot different than we ever expected that they could be for our world right now. And so we have to try to carry on the best we can. And I want to ensure that you guys are still working towards setting up your best portfolio as well as learning interview techniques and becoming the best possible professionals you can. So what I'm going to do is a couple of times per week for each of my classes, I'm going to be setting up Zoom conferences. If you want to join in on those conferences, I will be taking attendance that way. And that'll be your opportunity to ask questions, listen to lecture, um, talk, everything else. If you're having trouble connecting to the internet or having access to a computer, please get a hold of the school administrators as soon as possible. Otherwise, borrow a computer. You can do this all from your phone. The smartphones are amazing right now. I just did a Zoom conference the other day from my phone. As you noticed, the syllabus has changed. I updated it based on the current new conditions that we're going under. As far as taking a week off, there will be no more spring break at this point. We are just going to work straight through and get you guys done. All of your portfolios will now be submitted online. That's for both classes. I know my online class, you guys were already planning on doing that. But being that there is approximately 70 students, 60 to 70 students, I will not be doing online interviews. I will be, on the other hand, giving you guys a project with about 10 questions or so for you to fill out that will be worth that 100 points. So keep your eyes open, watch for that because I'll be posting that soon. That'll be due in lieu of you actually sitting and doing a face-to-face time interview with me. I'm trying to think of anything else we need to get out of the way before we get started. Make sure both classes you're taking your test 2 in the next week or so. That is kind of a extenuation of the previous half of the semester that we all missed because of this COVID-19 delay. I hope you guys are all out there being safe. If there's anything that we can do as a school or as faculty or anything like that, let us know. We have to band together as a community at this point and really work together to make sure that you guys are completing the classes and surviving this little crisis or large crisis now that it has become. Once again, watch all of my videos. I will be trying to post a video for every chapter. I will also be logging on for a lecture. If you have any questions, please get a hold of me right away. Read through your syllabus. It is very important that you read through and see what's due. All of your modules already are set up. You may see a couple little assignments jump in here and there, but all of your modules are already completely set up for you. You just got to log on every couple of days and see what else needs to be done, like study guides, journals, pieces of your portfolio, etc. So pretty much you can work on your own for the rest of the semester and get this done and pass this class. Just utilize the online work for your attendance as well as making sure you understand what's going on. Trying to think, I know there was something else I wanted to cover in here, and I may have to cover it as we go. But the fact is please be logging on, checking your syllabus, checking your modules for due dates. Oh yeah, well, all of your assignments have a due date. I have made them open from the beginning of this period, which is today, all the way up until May 7th, which will be the last day you guys can turn in work late. That doesn't mean that you have until May 7th to turn everything in. That means that I will accept it at a penalty. If you look at your modules, there will be a due date on there. Those are the dates that your work is due by. So make sure you are turning in your work by those due dates for full credit. I am giving you 2 to 5 days to turn in each unit. There's really not much to each unit. I have dummied it down just a little bit. For my in-person class, I know your homework was usually due the day of the test. It is now due the day that we're working on those chapters. So please pay attention to the actual due dates on Canvas. And if you are missing any assignments from the beginning of the semester till now, That would be all the way from January up until today. If you show any zeros, you have a chance to actually get those done. I have opened up for both classes. I have opened up all of your work. I have made it available all the way till the end of May. Because of this situation going on, I'm giving you all a chance to sit at home while you're waiting this thing out to actually get your work done and catch up. So if you have any questions, please get a hold of me. If you find any assignments that I did not open up or forgot to, then please let me know. Okay, thank you.